Welcome back to another episode of RJC Outdoors. Stick with us, guys. Stay tuned. We're about to get hooked up. That's what we're using right there, just a mimic minnow head with a worm tipped on the back. Oh, little Walter. Oh, there it goes. Oh, man. First little Walter action of the evening. Couldn't even get it in the boat. They might have plucked me clean. Yep. There it is. Oh, yeah, a little walleye. I got a pretty good hook set on it. We'll get a better hook set on it next time.
Zaya's got a smallie right here. Ricky's hooked up now too. Little baby walleye.
And there we have it. Little Walter heads. I think we're gonna get into bigger ones though, anytime here.
Sorry. I'm gonna bring two up on me.
Just found out my chesty wasn't going. Hope you guys saw that. Oh, little bass. Oh, geez. Feisty. Little bass and little walleye. Another little bass.
Another one?
Can't stop catching these. Ooh, looks like a nice one. Need a net?
I don't know. I don't think he's real big.
He's a fighter.
I kind of fancy it.
It is an ice rod. I mean, it's gonna be somewhat hard to.
There he is. Got him.
Beaut. Nice fish, right?
Not a bad one at all.
I think I'm gonna end it on your fish.
Are ya?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for tuning in, guys, to this episode of RJC Outdoors. Oh, see ya on the next one.